We are going to divide 67,914 by 112 step by step. This is the divisor, and this is the dividend. Step 1. Draw the long division line. The dividend goes inside, while the divisor stays outside the long division line. Step 2. Look at the first few digits of 67,914 to see how many times 112 fits in. Can 112 go into 6? No, 6 is smaller than 112. Then we use 67. Can 112 go into 67? Still? No, 67 is smaller than 112. We use 679. Can 112 go into 679? Yes! 679 is bigger than 112. Now, we check how many times 112 can go into 679. 112 times 6 equals 672. 112 times 7 equals 784. Too big. So, 112 fits 6 times into 679. Step 3. Write 6 on top and write 672 below 679. Next, subtract. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. 6 minus 6 equals 0. So, we have 7 as the remainder. Next, bring down the next digit, which is 1. So we go again. We keep repeating until all the digits have been checked. Step 4. Can 112 go into 71? No, 71 is less than 112. At this point, add 0 to 6 and bring down 4. Can 112 go into 714? Yes, 714 is bigger than 112. Now, how many times can 112 gets to 714? 112 times 6 equals 672. 112 times 7 equals 784. Too big. So, 112 fits 6 times into 714. So we write 6 on top and 672 below. Now, subtract. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 1 minus 7 cannot go since 1 is less than 7. So we borrow 1 from 7 and add to here, it becomes 11. 11 minus 7 equals 4. Here is now 6 since we borrowed 1 earlier. 6 minus 6 equals 0. So we have 42 as the remainder, no digit to bring down. We can say our answer is 606 remainder 42. But if we want to keep our answer in decimal, we have to divide further. Let's do that. Since there's no digit to bring down, we add 0 to 42. By doing that, we add a decimal point to 606. Step 5. Can 112 go into 420? Yes, 420 is bigger. How many times can it go? 112 times 3 equals 336. 112 times 4 equals 448. Too big. So we write 3 on top and 336 below. Next, subtract. 0 minus 6 can't go. Borrow 1 from 2. It becomes 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Here is 1 now, since we took off 1 earlier. 1 minus 3 can't go. Borrow from 4. 11 minus 3 equals 8. And 3 minus 3 equals 0. So we have 84 below. Let's go again. Can 112 go into 84? No, it's less than 112. Nothing to bring down, right? We add 0. It becomes 840. Can 112 go into 840? Yes, 840 is bigger than 112. How many times can 112 go into 840? 112 times 7 equals 784. 112 times 8 equals 896. Too big. So we write 7 on top and 784 below. 0 minus 4 can't go. Borrow from 4. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Here is 3 now. 3 minus 8 can't go. Borrow from 8. 13 minus 8 equals 5. Here is 7 now. 7 minus 7 equals 0. We have 56 as the remainder. Add 0 to 56. Since 56 is less than 112, this becomes 560. How many times can 112 go into 560? 112 times 5 equals 560 exactly. So we write 5 above and 560 below. Then subtract. We get zeros. Now that we have zeros, it means no remainder. We are done dividing. Our answer is the digits we have above, which is called the quotient. Note, we can choose to stop after the second decimal place or the third in cases where we don't get zeros quickly. Therefore, 67,914 divided by 112 is 606.375, or 606 remainder 42. See you in the next video.